Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to play workshop maps in Counter-Strike 2. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So although there is no CS2 Steam Workshop yet, you can play custom workshop maps in CS2 by installing the map file and using the console to load the map. So here are the steps on how you can do that. So first, you need to download the map you want to play and paste it into the CS2 map directory. So it should be located at this right here. So this is the location. So you can just go ahead and or you can pause this video and read these locations right here and then copy or paste it if you want to. And now after that, you can launch the game and open the console command by pressing the tilde on or this tilde key on your keyboard. And if it doesn't open, you go to the game tab in the settings and turn on this feature. And with the command prompt open, enter the following command right here. So it says that map percent map underscore name percent. So with the map name being the name of the map, you just paste that in the folder. And the console command will now provide some auto commands. Follow them and the custom workshop map should load up by itself. So keep in mind that the community creators have already started upgrading their maps with the resources available in Source 2. So while the workshop is not yet available in CS2, Valve have confirmed that the good maps are cooking. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.